Welcome back. Gramsabha at Cortalim Quelossim witnessed heated arguments over the market complex in the village. Residents, including some Panch members, opposed the appointment of the scrutiny committee appointed by the Panchayat for proposed market complex. Panch members claim that they were not taken into confidence by the Sarpanch.
Voting is only one. Voting is only one. Gramsabha is illegal.
This market complex has become a contentious issue because the proper procedure is not being followed. Right? Now, if the Panchayat is supposed to appoint a scrutiny committee, the Sarpanch very clearly has said that a resolution is passed to have a scrutiny committee which comprises of different type of people in it. But he could no way show us a properly constituted resolution accepted by the body saying that who these people are.
Market complex project आमकां जावं नाक न्हू. We are for the project. पूण कितें आमकां सगळी प्रोसिजर सारको फॉलो अप करपा जाय. ती स्क्रुटनी कमिटी जी पंचायत बॉडीन काडची म्हणलो ती पंचायत बॉडीन काडलो ना. जन जालें मिटींग कंप्लीट जालो ना. कित्याक ताणें when he asked the Gramsabha members to raise their hands for committee, there were only 28 members for the committee. Remaining balance were not for the committee. We want the project. We are not opposing the project, but it should follow a proper procedure. आमचं CM ते इन्स्पेक्शन करून येतालो ते कोण मेंबरांकूय सांगलो ना. आमकां मेंबरांक सांगलो ना ते सोड वॉर्ड मेंबराकूय सांगलो ना.
Meanwhile, the Sarpanch, who refused to comment on the issue, got involved in a verbal duel with a journalist after the Gramsabha. Sarpanch was moved out of the Panchayat hall amidst police protection.
You are the place.
So what? Show me the law. I cannot speak to a member. Show me the law because you're doing illegalities. I'm exposing you. You're doing gambling. Show me the law. Show me the law. You show me the law. Meeting was
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
And before we end our news bulletin, let's have a look at the other events happening in the state.
State NCC Ex-Cadets Association awarded prominent ex-NCC cadets for their excellent contribution towards society and the country. Justice Desmond D'Costa from Legal Field, DYSP of Margao Mohan Naik from Police Service, Lakshmidas Mangeshkar in Sports Field received the award with other awardees. Benny D'Souza was also awarded in non-NCC category for rescuing victim girl child whose parents were murdered in Mirshe and Kole. Guest of honor, Colonel D.K. Chaturvedi said, NCC cadets play a major role in national integrity and more youth should get associated with the NCC service.
Everybody cannot become an army officer, everybody cannot become a police officer, but everybody can become part of NCC. And that is the base from where we start the national integration and the sense of nationalism.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavlikar has stressed on implementation of Human Transplant Act for visually impaired children in Goa. Saksham Mandal organized a program and distributed Abrar, an audiobook reader and recorder machine for the visually impaired.
आमचे एक्टांत ते ना आनी हे घेवन सध्या हांव बसला म्हाका हे इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें आसा गोंयांत कारण खुबश्यो गोश्टी आनी तो हेल्थ एक्टांत घातले शिवाय ताका बाकीच्यो गोश्टी मेळना ज्यो गोश्टी तांकां दिवपाक जाय हॉस्पिटलाक आसूं किंवा खंयची NGO काम करतली तांकां जर दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार तो दिवंक शकना आनी त्या खातीर तो प्रयत्न आमच्या सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान अंदू जातलोच अशें हांगा नमूद करता.
Meritorious students of G.S. Amonkar Vidya Mandir were felicitated by Vice Chancellor of Goa, Dr. Satish Shetye. Senior teachers of the school were also felicitated. Padma Shri Suresh Amonkar was also present for the function. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed a bulletin, you can log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.